Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Cheburkov Wolf here with me. Look at this big boy in the house. And we're going to do a little maintenance video on this one because it's a pretty interesting piece. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's check this out. This is a beast. Guys, this is a monster. I don't know. It's it's a it's a big one. So let's get this done. We're gonna need T7 screw bit for this guy. Actually, let's start from here, right? T7 also for the handles. And look at these screws. I mean, this is serious business. I am telling you guys. So this goes here, and this one goes right next to that, like so. Okay, so this is stuck. Interesting. So in order not to use anything, I'm just gonna probably just do like this. And yeah, and wiggle it a little bit, and then just gently pull it out like so. So never force anything. And then you're gonna have, of course, to do the pivot screw, which is an interesting oversized pivot screw. We've got a shredded carbon fiber scale, nicely done. And look at this. This is already like a finished knife, basically, with an extra scale on top. This is a solid beast. Would you look at that? And here we need to remove both these screws from the back of the handle. So this is one. And interestingly, like the screw on the clip also, which is longer. So always keep track of what goes where. Gently open the blade, and we're gonna probably need some. No, nothing. This comes off nicely. Okay, good, very good. And let's just use one of these alcohol swabs to clean it up nicely on the inside. And I can see there's some nice skeletonization going on. We can just clean it here and here. It's pretty clean, guys. This is a beast, by the way. I mean, look at the size of the stop pin. It's ridiculous. This is an oversized chunk of everything put together with a dressy look. I mean, it's crazy. It's beautiful. Look at, I mean, the ball bearings are huge. Stainless steel, caged ball bearings. This is a rust-resistant Damasteel blade. Look at the size of this pivot. Wow. Very nice. Nicely done, guys. And it's pretty straightforward. I mean, nothing too crazy going on here. It's pretty easy. Nice over travel stop. Nicely done stainless steel insert, which is interestingly fitted to the blade, as you can see. Nice internal skeletonization. This is a beast. I think you can actually baton with this guy. It's huge, but it feels absolutely solid in the hand. This is very good. All right, let's use some 10 weight nano oil, 1, 2, and 3 right over here. And we've got our bearing in, maybe just another one like so. And then you've got your blade in. Look at the blade shape, by the way. Beautiful detent ball ramp. Nicely done. The action is superb on this one. 1, 2, and 3, like so. And this guy is in. And we're gonna use a little bit heavier weight nano oil for the detent ball, which is not ceramic, it's just stainless steel, but it's still, we like it. And what else we're gonna need? That is basically it. Nice pin over here. It's nicely done, guys. This is a pretty solid build for sure. And everything goes back together pretty nicely. The pin goes in, flip the knife, and you can go backwards. So start from the screw right over here in the pocket clip, and then this guy over here, which is the handle screw, like so. And then we can flip the knife over and check that everything is in place. Make sure that this guy is tight, like that. That's tight. How about this? This is not spinning, so just make sure both are nice and tight. That is done. And release the tension, and we're gonna do these 3 screws over here. So that is 1 and that is 2. And this is in. Don't over tighten because there's not really any need. This is just like to keep the scale like from rattling or moving around. Very, very tight tolerances. You see how the bit gets stuck in the screw, and we're gonna use now actually this is a little bit old, we can scrape it off like so, because this guy tends to get dry. And then we're gonna use this like this. Look at that, nice and coated on the inside of the thread, and off we go. And this guy is in like so. Checking for blade play, none. Oof, guys. Check the action on this bad boy. I mean, superb. And the sound. Ooh, closing sound. Perfectly centered. This is a beast of a knife. This is a fancy camping knife for sure. There's a little bit of space between the detent ball and the tang of the blade, so you see you need to overcome that and go to the detent ball ramp, and then ooh, pure smoothness going on. Beautiful. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.